When you're managing operations and have zero graphic design skills, creating decent, professional-looking reports can be a huge bottleneck. Let's break down how to generate clean, data-driven slides without ever having to manually align a single text box. You might have tried Gamma for quick layouts or Beautiful AI for smart templates, but Doki AI is designed to eliminate that design bottleneck for busy operations teams, especially with data-driven slides, 3D animations, and dynamic features. That's Doki AI, a smarter way to present your ideas, whether it's for personal use, small businesses, medium or large companies. This is some AI software you need to check out. And in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to use it, how easy it is, how seamless it is, and how great the value for money is with this tool. So taking a quick look through the website, it's just beautifully designed and put together. All the FAQs are down at the bottom, and there's a fantastic library of reviews from real users that you can read through as well. In today's video, we're going to log into our account, show you the dashboard, and show you what we can create right at our fingertips. It's going to be so easy. So this is basically the Doki workspace. Here, you can open up new tasks. You've got the library. Right here, you basically have a section where you tell it your idea, keep it casual, and we're basically going to bring it to life, whether that's drafts you're writing, slides, long scrolls, design visuals, everything. Of course, you can also add things here as well. So we're basically going to drop this little prompt in here right now, and we'll see what it can do. So it's a quarterly operations performance. So we want to organize all of this, because right now it's all messy, it's clunky. If we were to present this to, say, our team, or maybe even to new investors, it's going to look really messy. So we need to get this organized and looking visually appealing, because that's what Doki does. It makes things look beautiful and easy to understand in just a few moments. So the Doki Manager, as you can see, is doing its thing. We wanted to use a modern corporate consulting style for this. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So let's just wait for it. Go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, we've got the different actions here. So the Doki Manager can create the slide. It's got the key information that it actually generated for us, which is really, really cool too. You can choose different themes, which I also think is great. You've got different types of animation, the page count, and you can choose the language. So we're going to choose that green one in the top right-hand corner of the screen as the option, and we're going to press save there, and now the Doki designer is going to get to work. Okay, so we've got the outline set up there. Just going to make sure that all the slides look good and match what we want to present. All the different content sections are here. I think that all looks pretty good. Key performance metrics. Fantastic. Not what's scared. Just need to go through and do a quick check of everything that's there. And once we're happy, we can confirm and generate all of it. And here it is, the Q2 OPS review, and we've got everything here. The summary, the contents, the performance metrics. Everything's here. Sales, the IT department, the challenges, the strategy, the timeline, and the final recommendations, plus a nice little prompt at the end asking if there are any questions. This is perfect for, again, investors. You're showing your own team. You sit down, have a review, look at the analytics, and figure out how to move forward with the business in a sensible way. Please make the presentation suitable for an executive board meeting and add stronger section dividers. So let's go through and take a look and use more executive language throughout, if possible. So let's see if it can actually follow that instruction. Okay, so it's going to enhance it. Zoom in. That's what the Doki designer has created for us. Fantastic. Okay. Nice. Contents, executive summary, operations and customer support performance. Very good. Department performance, sales and finance. The IT section here too. So as you can see, yep, all the different sections, the customer support section here, it's all here for us. So for example, we can go in and then make certain sections longer or shorter. We can rewrite them with AI. We can adjust them. It's all here. So say for example, we want to use AI rewrite, we can go in and do it. If we want to make it more formal, fix the grammar or expand it, whatever we want to do, we can do it. So let's implement a standardized vendor for this one. And for this one, we can go here. We might just want to maybe change the font, for example. Can easily do that as well. Go in here, go for AI rewrite on this. Say, for example, we just want to make it more formal, nice and simple. Warehouse overhead costs, let's go in and have a look. Got the key performance metrics? Say we want to insert something here. For example, maybe an image or something like that. Maybe we want to do a chart or a specific kind of animation, for example. You can add an extra image here too. You can even generate the image with AI, search from the web, add from Doki, or upload it yourself from your own device. So we can add in here the different charts that we basically have. All sorts of different options. Bar, line, pie, circular, quadrant. Everything's here. We've got the performance improvements that we can adjust there for that little bar graph we just added, talking about employee productivity versus operational costs. We can throw a little animation in there. You can do things like an auto entrance animation, different kinds of interactions, whether they're automatic or custom, hover, click, linked, all kinds of cool stuff here. If you can imagine this up on a big whiteboard screen, it's gonna look absolutely fantastic. So we can generate that and take a look. So you can actually go over it and it highlights everything. Look at that. I love how it moves as you hover over it. So it really draws the viewer's attention to what's happening on the slide. That's really good, isn't it? Super cool there. The executive summary, we can go in and add some more stuff here, more advanced things like 3D models. It's got gravity effects, collision, code art, even like a mini app. Let's have a look. Okay, check that out. How cool is that? It's got that little 3D slider. Look at this. Take a look at that. That's so cool. Some little data chart infographics there to really highlight the conversation in the slides. Super duper cool. You've got different ones like ambiance too. Look at this, custom ambiance with a background decoration, the cursor. Now, for example, if you just want to completely change up the background, we can do it. Spotlight, film ring. We've got the original one, of course, which is on. Let's generate one for gradient flow. For the decoration, maybe we can change it to, maybe we'll go with floating icons. And you can even change the cursor trail. It's really easy, so we'll change it to that one so you guys can see this. Okay, let's go ahead and hit play. Let's have a look. The background's changed. Really nice. So it's a lot more engaging, a lot more active, more dynamic. Because sometimes going through this data and analytics and these stats, typically these numbers can be boring for a lot of people. But the reality is we need to be looking into this kind of data, especially if you're running a business or something like that. So it's really important that whoever's watching this, investors, business owners, employees, it's important that they really do stay engaged. And having a slideshow software like this, such as Doki, is going to enable or give you the best chance to basically do that, to keep whoever the viewer is totally engaged, just immersed in the viewing experience of this slide. Say, for example, we want to turn it into an internal employee training presentation instead. Use instructional language, add objectives for learning, include best practices, process reminders, add a final knowledge checklist. So we can take it a step further. Again, it's set up for business executives now, but we want to change it. Okay, all done. Your task is ready to go. And that's been changed to suit the different type of audience now that we've asked for. Really good. Nice. You can also change the file type there, get it downloaded. Got everything here. Have a look at this. So really, folks, Doki is the way to go. Let me know what you thought about it, but yeah, I don't think you really get better. AI slides, I mean, it's really cool. Powered by GPT Image 2. All kinds of different stuff. The tutorials there, the templates, everything's there, folks, at your fingertips. There's no excuse now if you want to create invigorating, attention-seeking slideshows. It's all here. Overcome your design bottlenecks and build your professional business slides today by clicking the link below, which takes you directly to the platform. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that little notification bell so you never miss out on another video. Have a great day.